Alrighty friends, so we've got something a little different here. This is footage from Flight 1, and if you are watching closely, there was an airplane that crashed during that flight. Also though, that same airplane had a nose cam. So in a second here, you'll actually get to see real camera footage of the crash. So if you've never watched before, the planes all have 30-foot streamers behind them, and then the goal is to clip those streamers, which is called a cut. You'll also hear impacts and other sounds, and right about here is where we get the first impact, and that plane comes down. The flying continues despite the downed aircraft, and all the points are totaled at the end based on the cuts, and then also pilots score points for successfully taking off in the allotted time, and they also get points for a successful landing. The camaraderie is a lot of fun to watch, and it's also sweet. I saw several father-son teams.
Let's go.
Lastly, the event is free to watch, and you can find directions if you look in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Make sure you smash that subscribe button.